Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good whenever you see this video. Welcome to my channel. Please, if you've not subscribed, please do well too. So yeah, let's dive into it. Today I'm going to be talking about how to care for your wigs. I know as mothers we're kind of busy to take our wigs to the hairstylist and all that. Time to take it, time to bring it back and all that. So I'm here to help you. I don't like it when I see women when they just put their wigs on their head and they move just like that. Girl, it looks somehow. There are things you can buy to maintain your wigs. As long as you have the money to buy this wig, you should also have the money to buy maintenance. So yeah, for your bone straights, you should have a straightener and a serum. For your bone straights, your straight hairs and anything straight, you should have a straightener and a serum. These things go hand in hand with straight hairs, because if you don't straighten it, it will just start looking rough, kind of. Yeah, so you need a straightener and a serum. And for your coily hair, for your bouncy coily hair and anyone you have, you need a tonguing iron or a flexi rod. I'm going to post a video about how to use a flexi rod to achieve these coils. Yes, you need either a tonguing iron or a flexi rod. Me, I use a flexi rod for heatless coils and a coil keeper. A flexi rod and a coil keeper. That is what you need for your curly hair. And for your deep hairs, your pixie coils, your deep waves, you need a conditioner and water. Conditioner, water in a spray bottle. It may not be a spray bottle. I use that shower hand, the handle one. That's what I use. It mustn't be a spray bottle if you don't want to. I have a spray bottle. I prefer to use a shower so that the water will sink well into it with a leave-in conditioner. That's what you need for your pixie coils and your deep waves, your deep coils. That's what you need. Then to style your hair, you need a hot comb. If you have a occasion tomorrow, you can do all that today. You can do all that today. You can coil it today, and then by night, maybe call it in the morning or in the afternoon, and then after like 6-8 hours, you remove the flexi rod, or if you want to tongue it at go, yeah, you tongue it at a go. Then you remove the flexi rod and then you style it, use your hot comb and style it. Then in the morning when you're going, just wear it and go out. Is that easy? You get? So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.